Hello everyone and welcome back to Cyber Lab. First of all, Happy New Year. This is our very first video of the year and let's hope this is the start of something big with your support. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very creepy attack where a attacker can get access to your camera by just sending you a link. We'll see this attack using a tool called Camfish, the exact step attackers follow and most importantly, how you can stay safe from these types of attacks. Before we start, one very important legal warning. Everything shown in this video is only for educational and awareness purpose. Do not try this on anyone's device without proper written permissions. Now, what exactly is Camfish? Camfish is a penetration testing tool that hosts a fake web page on a local PHP server and then uses services like Cloudflare Tunnel or ngrok to generate a public link. When the victim opens that link, the page looks something harmless, for example, a festival wishing page, a live YouTube TV, or an online meeting page. But it asks for camera permission. Now, if the victim taps allow, the attacker can grab snapshots from the phone's front camera or the PC webcam, and in some cases, even GPS locations. So, the entire attack is just send a link, victim clicks, allows camera, and attacker gets images. Now, you'll see a step by step exactly what an attacker would do in a lab environment. First, let's go to Google and search for Camfish GitHub. Open the original repo by TechChip on GitHub. This is the official Camfish project used in many labs for camera phishing demonstrations. Next, we clone the tool. In your terminal, type this command and then go inside its directory. Now, let's run the main script. This script sets up the fake website, checks for PHP and any other dependency, and prepares the tunnel options. From the menu, we select the festival phishing template. Attacker use this template a lot during festivals because people happily click on such links and don't doubt them. For now, let's use Cloudflare Tunnel. Camfish will run a local PHP server and uses the Cloudflare Tunnel binary to create a public URL. This usually ends with try cloudflare.com. Once the tunnel is up, the script reads the link from the Cloudflare log file and shows a final direct link that the attacker can send to the victims. Copy the link and send it on WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS or email. From the victim side, let's see what happens. Now, when the victim will access this, it will look like a Happy New Year or festival greeting page with a nice background and a camera permission will pop up. As soon as the victim clicks allow, the tool starts capturing camera snapshots and logs them on the attacker's machine. In some versions, it can also log GPS coordinates or IP-based location for awareness demonstrations. Now, let's talk about the most important part, how you can stay safe from these kinds of camera phishing attacks. Do not click on random festivals or celebration links, even if they come from your friend's account. Accounts get hacked and then are used to forward such links. When a website asks for camera or microphone permissions, pause and do think, do I really trust this site and is camera access actually required here? Prefer using official apps or well-known websites instead of links sent in DMs, especially for video calls, meetings, or photo filters. Cover your webcam when not in use and keep the front camera permissions limited only to trusted apps. Keep your browser and phone updated and regularly review which apps and sites have camera and location permissions. Revoke anything suspicious. For parents, explain to the kids that they should never allow camera permissions on random links or magic filter festival wishing pages. If you ever feel something is suspicious, just close the tab and do not allow any permissions. So, that was our first video of the year. From Happy New Year to a real world example of how a simple link can give an attacker access to your camera. In the upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into these kinds of attacks and show more defensive techniques so that you understand how hackers think and how to protect yourself. If you find this video helpful, hit like, share it with your friends and family so that they don't fall for such camera phishing scams, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, stay safe and see you in the next video.